Welcome to MyZenFlow. Welcome to your morning alignment. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a second. And release it slowly through your mouth. Feel the weight of your body settling into this moment. Imagine a soft, warm light at the center of your chest. With every breath, this light grows. It represents your peace. It represents your calm power. See this light expanding. Covering your shoulders. Your arms. And your mind. Any tension you feel is simply melting away in this warmth. As you sit in this light, set one simple intention for today. Maybe it's, I will choose peace. Or I will stay present. Repeat this intention silently to yourself 3 times. Believe it. Feel it as if it is already happening. Gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring your awareness back to the room. Carry this light with you as you move through your day. You are centered. You are ready. Open your eyes when you're prepared. Thank you for this moment. Have a peaceful day.